In this video tutorial, we will be taking some questions on Sarima models. So we'll be taking some questions. First on our list is question 1. So you can say compute Sarima. You can say compute Sarima, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0 with seasonality of 4. So we can be asked to compute that. Well, it's quite easy to say solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Now, we'll take from the simpler part to the more complex one. We recall that our simpler model can be written as phi p d p phi p s d ps. We have our differential part, do the seasonal part. We have the non-seasonal part. We have xt to be equal to our moving average part. Then et. This is the model. Now, our autoregressive, of course, this is P, this is PDQ, and the seasonal part PDQ. Now, for the autoregressive part, the non-seasonal part, we have 0, which is nothing. For the differential, our differential, we have phi b to be equal to 1 minus b raised to the power of b, which is equal to 1 minus b. We have b to be 1. Also, for the seasonal part, we have this. For the seasonal part, that means phi p then s b p. This s is 4, while our p is 1. P s to be equal to 1 minus phi. This is ps. Our p is 1, comma s is 4. Then b, we have ps here. Our p is 1 multiplied by 4. That is all we get. So we can write it as 1 minus pi 1 comma 4. Then b 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. Of course, the differential part is 0, and the moving average part for our seasonality is also 0. So we don't have anything here. So it will now be remaining our ET. So we can write this out from the model. From the model, we can write our Sarima model to be. We can write our Sarima model to be 1 minus pi 1 4 b 4 for this part. Now, see, this part is 0, this part is nothing, this is 0 too. Now we have this part, which is this, which is equal to 1 minus b. Then we'll write out our xt equal to, of course, our moving average, we don't have anything for it. Our moving average part, which is this, is 0. That means the non-seasonality, the one with the non-seasonality, the one with seasonality is also 0. So we have what is remaining is ET. So this becomes our model for the given question. This becomes our model for the given question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe.